Just continuing my review on this, it is a lot easier to get out than that other one. I mean, it comes off, you don't have to monkey with all that extra stuff hanging out of it. It literally just comes right off. My throttle body cleaner stuff came in today, so I'm going to take the throttle body off here. So leave it to me to figure out the laziest way to get this done. You only have to remove a vacuum line, a coolant line, the 2 electrical plugs, and then 3 10mm nuts. I removed the vacuum line that came up here. I only disconnected this coolant line on this side, and I removed these 2 electrical plugs that were on this side. So I'm going to go on back on in that order. Blue on top, purple on bottom. And then I was able to take these 3 out, and then basically I just lift this whole thing up like this, keep everything intact, and just bring it on over. Just like that. And I'm going to clean all this over here like this, and clean all here. I don't have to take out anything else. O'Reilly does have a new gasket, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that while I'm in here. Just basically right now, just letting this stuff soak and then wiping it clean. Hey, I'm starting to break ground. Yay! Alright, so I've just been using shop cloths like this so far. I've got an old toothbrush. I'm going to go ahead and use that and continue scrubbing away with the toothbrush. Alright, I'm going to run down and get my gasket. I just stuck this tube in there for now to keep anything from getting in there. Alright, I'm back from O'Reilly's. I got some more antifreeze to top it off, being some spilt on the ground. I got this stuff here. Figured might as well, right? I'm already doing it. This apparently, I believe if I'm reading the instructions right, you just actually mix this with the into the fuel tank, but I'll double check that. New throttle body gasket. I got some engine degreaser. Might as well clean up things on the external as well while I'm up there. Alright, I think that's pretty good. I got this cleaned up pretty good in there. Well, there's a little more I got to clean right there. Let me just wipe that a little bit on that side. Here we got in here. It looks pretty good. On this side, pretty good. Try to get in there. I probably should take this off. This is the idle sensor. If there's an issue, I'll just replace it, but it's not had any issue with idle, so I think it's fine. But I mean, I think that looks pretty good. So, yep, I'll go ahead and put it back together. Well, that's always a good sign when you don't have extra pieces laying around when you're done and it actually still runs. So, I did it! Yay! I'm going to now just clean up some of this. I'm going to turn it off and clean up some of the top. It's not perfect, but it's cleaner than it was. So, yeah.